morning, this is Bob afternoon with Pennystocking 101,000. Welcome back to the series where we take a fresh account on Webull, starting with just $100, and show you the journey it takes to grow that $100 into $1,000 over time. And we're back. Today is July 4th, 2019. Markets are green. And the trade we got in on Wednesday was SLS. And we made about 6% on that one. Could have been more, but so we made $8 on that one. Could have been more, but I just chose a rather high entry because I was kind of trying to save a few pennies, trying to get cheaper fills in the low 23 cents. So you see we got it at 26 cents a share. We got out 28 cents. So we got in at 10:10 and we got out 7 minutes later. So it was a very quick trade. We got up near the top. Let's show you the chart now. So this had a run up a couple days. Yeah, so this ran up a couple days. This was a continuation play. So it was 15 to 30 the other day before, and then today it rose up from 15 to 29, almost 28.80 was the high here. I said we got out at 28.30, so right at the top. As soon as I saw signs of resistance, signs of topping out, this is a double top because even in the pre-market, same day in the pre-market, you can see 77 cents here. So this was a double top. I was looking out for that. I always keep track of that number here. If it's giving you that easy double top, signs of double topping, keep that number in mind. Be ready. Yes, sometimes it can break out beyond that, but don't always expect it because it doesn't always happen. So we had that number in mind. We got in a little late. We was looking at this around here on this tick when it started showing this huge sign of recovery on the open right here. We went to almost 25 cents. And I kept trying to get cheap fills around 23.20, 23.19, things like that when it was at 23.50. So I was trying to beat the bidders. The bidders just kept beating me. So, or beat the sellers rather, and the bidders kept beating me. So that's a good sign of actual strength in the stock. When you see that happen, that's a good sign of strength, where people just keep outbidding you. So that was a good sign of strength, and it ran up. I kept trying to save pennies until this tick here, when I realized it was just going up without me. I said, you just have to get in. You have to get in now. So I went ahead and locked in 26 and got filled. Like I said, as soon as we saw signs of resistance, as soon as we looked at level 2 and started seeing signs of profit taking, we went ahead and locked that in market order. That's the first market order I've ever placed, and we went ahead and got filled. So didn't even worry about the limit. Just wanted to get out. So that was that play. Not a huge profit return, but profit is profit. So, and also, like I said, there was markets closed early that day because it's the 4th of July. So markets closed at 1 o'clock. So you have to be ready to take your profits because people want to make their money and get out and be all out for the weekend. So don't bag hold it. It might have a continuation on Friday. Who knows? But just make sure you get out when everybody else is getting ready to get out. So that was that. And I hope you all have a good 4th of July. And we will see you all probably on Friday. And until then, we just encourage you all to stay motivated, stay inspired, study hard, and penny stocks will reward you. Thank you.